Those really were trains, with the steam and the steel and the smoke and the sparks and the flames. Those really were trains, but they've gone, gone, never see them again. Leaving Snow Hill on a cold frosty morning, and one light working through the countryside, singing in the nighttime. Can't you hear them calling? Or steaming down a grade and fairly busting out with pride, those beautiful steam trains I used to ride. Those really were trains, with the steam and the steel and the smoke and the sparks and flames. Those really were trains, but they have gone, gone, never see them again. But they have gone, gone, never see them again. Yes, they've gone, gone, never see them again.